Hi, babe! Surprise! Gulat ka, no? Ako nga rin gulat eh. I can't even imagine why I'm doing this. Oo, para sa iba, corny. Oo, naanik ko naman dati, nakukornian ako sa mga taong gumagawa ng ganito. Well, yun. I was about to sing. Kantahan sana kita ng kanta. Pero, alam naman ng lahat na wala akong boses at hindi ako marunong. Baka itakwil ako ng mga magulang kung baka kapag kumanta ako. Kaya, ito, gumawa na lang ako ng ganitong message. Yan. Kaninang pag-isip ko kasi, ang daming pumasok sa isipan ko. Na ang daming thoughts talaga. And then, yun, hindi pa nga ako ready eh. Nakapantulog pa ako. Walang makeup. So, dead ma. Wala akong pakialam. I just wanna show you kung gaano ka sa kamahal. Yun at alam sa buong mundo na ikaw lang at walang iba. So, nakagawa ako ng letter kanina. Look, ang haba meron pa dito. And I'm gonna start it na. So, babe, what is this song again? Yung background music ko. I know for sure alam mo yung kantang yan. Forevermore by Side A, right? Alam mo ba kung bakit yan ang kanta ko for you? Kung bakit yan ang supposed to be nakakantahin ko pero hindi ko na tinuloy. Kasi I want to be with you forevermore. And then, yun, bago ka maiyak at bago ako magdrama, let me greet you first. Happy 6 months, babe. You're amazing in many ways. You bring joy to my life. And I want to feel this way for forever. I don't want to think about losing you. I'll take care of you like how you would take care of me. I'll make your day better like how you would make mine the best. And beyond that, I love you like how you would love me unconditionally. Babe, I really hope I'm the last you'll ever love. I know it sounds selfish, but I will make sure that you won't get tired of our love. Please, let's make this love last and prove the people who said that love doesn't last forever. Because for me, forever exists between you and me. I will always be yours, as matter what the world turns out to be. I wish one day the distance between us won't be there anymore. And that would be the day that I'll be in your arms. Babe, God has got his own reasons for us to meet and came this far. I pray to God and still keep on praying to continue na maging strengthen ang relationship natin. And yung patience, yung paghihintay. Kasi alam mo naman kung gaano kahirap ang long distance. Yun. I pray to God to continue to strengthen us in loving and in waiting. I pray that He will guide us always in the right way. A million thank you is not enough to thank Him, to thank God for giving it to me. For giving me like you. Guwapo, mabait, sweet, at of course, loyal. And I want to thank you for loving me unconditionally. I promise that I will take good care with your heart and will love you as far as long as I live. And as long that you are fighting, I will fight with you and will stay with you forever. Yun babe, yun na yung love letter na ginawa ko for you. So, sana nagustuhan mo at naramdaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal, kung gaano ka special sa akin. And happy Masari ulit. I can't wait to see you. Ilang buwan na lang. And we'll make memories together. Mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw lang. Hindi kita papabayaan. Aalagaan kita. I'll stay with you forever. At pangako yan. Ayan baby. At ano pa ba? you, and I hope you like this one. Love you.